question, Daddy.
What? What is it?
It's a Disney Infinity
Why
character.
would you? Oh, it's probably just because you love Maleficent and you thought it was a statue. Here, Brandon.
Stop.
What is this?
Daddy, heads up.
Oh, yeah. Hey, what? Is this what I think it is?
Yeah, it's what you think it is.
Ow. What is this?
This one.
Oh my god, is this what I think it
It's
is?
Braden's
Is this an
turn.
iPad case?